Cosori.
This is a review for Cosori Iconic 6.5 quart. Serves 3 to 5. Stainless steel, smart air fryer, precision airflow, in-app cooking assistance, 5-year warranty. That's cool that it's got an in-app cooking assistance there.
And it has ceramic coating inside.
Yep.
So that means it's easy to clean.
Alrighty. Let's see what she looks like.
Here we go.
And it was the Red Dot winner in 2025. The link will be in the description.
Very nice packaging. Ooh.
Wow. That's a real book.
You ain't kidding. 24 handcrafted recipes. And this is the user manual. So let me come over here. Let's take a gander at some of their... And some of that looks mighty nice. Tree nuts. Dietary tips for low carb diets, dairy free, high protein, high fiber. So we have a vegetable quiche with sweet potato crust. Ooh, fancy. Cinnamon French toast. There you go.
Toast is bread too.
Butternut squash breakfast hash. Okay. Honey glazed pork chops with mango and avocado salsa. Okay.
All right, let's get that sucker out.
Tuscan steak and veggies. There you go. All right, here, hold on to that. Oh, my Lord.
It has even an Apple feature sync remote control. All apps, recipes.
Listen here, this has got a lot going on here. Man, it's like they wrapped it in the blanket.
Yeah, it's in a bag. You might be able to take that with you. Yeah.
Okay.
That's nice. Wow.
Oh, talk about bougie. Wow. This is beautiful. If I didn't have one already, I would. Oh, wow. But yeah, look at the fabric. I mean, that's a beautiful fabric bag.
Yeah.
That's so the stainless steel don't get scratched up.
Yep.
Nice idea. Very, very, very nice. All right, so we got to take the tape off. That keeps it in place so we don't open it in shipping here. Okay. Wow.
That's a deep bowl.
That is. That's why you can use that for those recipes. Because it's not just an itty bitty. Okay. Wow.
Easy to clean.
Look at that. Yeah. Locks into place. All right, we got to take it over here. When cameraman built the kitchen, he didn't believe in sockets. All right, so it's got for French fries, chicken wings, chicken breast, boneless, beef, ribeye, there you go, bone in. Veggies, seafood, frozen foods. So it's in standby. Beautiful.
I wonder what shake means.
I don't know. Well, I'm sure you have to like air fry maybe.
No.
Sure. Oh, you gotta turn it on.
Maybe turn it on.
I thought it was on.
I wonder what that means. Gotta look for it. Temperature.
Minutes.
Yep. Timer. You can adjust the timer. Gotta see what that shake means. Okay, let's see what that shake means.
Okay.
That's pretty good. And this will lock, so you
so
put that in there. All right, let's see what that shake means on that book.
Okay.
Sets nice on the counter. Goes good with anything. Stainless steel.
Especially if you've got a kitchen that's black and stainless steel or white, black and white. Okay.
Looks real
That's
nice
beautiful.
under the light. Nice size.
I hate to say it, but Cuisinart's got a competitor going there with it from them. That's nice.
Even right here, it would fit. Put it right there.
Okay, air frying. Shake reminder. The shake reminder offers a convenient progress check in mid-cook, giving you a chance to flip, shake, or adjust your dish for the desired texture and flavor. So if you wanted like a steak or veggies, you wanted to toss it, or like fish, then that shake, you set it, and then when it's halfway through, it tells you, I'm sure it's going to sing, so you can open it, it's still staying preheated, staying heated, and it gives you enough time to flip it, put it back in to get the desired texture and cook.
Yeah. Like you're flipping wings.
Right.
French fries. Everything.
Yeah.
Not bad.
No.
And it does have an in-app thing that you can download on your phone at the Apple Store and Google Store.
So that's very nice, and that's very elegant.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a big size.
Yeah, this is state of the art right here. This is very nice. And I like that it's got the ceramic coating in there, so you don't have to worry about it being a royal pain in the keister to clean. And as you heard, so let's go air fry. And did you pause it? It's not loud at all.
No.
Not at all. Nice.
You could probably roast a full chicken in there too.
It's big enough to.
Yeah.
And then you hit that. Pause. Or you shut it off.
Nice.
But yeah, you could probably get a roasting chicken in that.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Oh, let me tell you what, that heated up pretty quick.
Did it?
Feel that, it's already warm. Well, you know the old saying, you get what you pay for. Well, I want to say thank you for Iconic for this design. This is very nice, very elegant, modern looking, way bigger than your old model, to where it was just like this. Basically, all you could do was fries or something. But this, if you're a single person or maybe a couple and you don't have an air fryer, that's not bad. Is it going to do pizza? No.
Might do slices.
Pizza rolls. But if you want traditional cooking, this isn't a bad size for a couple or
Right.
a single person.
Yeah.
Depending on what you cook.
Because it feeds up to 3 people, so
Yeah.
that's a good thing.
Yeah.
So Cosori, link in the description.
And thank you for the product review. Really appreciated. So until the next video or product review, everyone take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. See ya.